time, let us proceed with another friend of Ana. So the second friend of Ana, so he is Carlo. So Carlo lives directly south of Ana at point C. And point C is located at negative 2, negative 1. First step, we need to plot the given order pair using the Cartesian place. So start from the origin. The first number, which is the x unit, is what? Negative 2. So start at the origin. Since the x unit is negative, the direction is going to the left. Okay, 2 times 1, 2. And then what is the y unit? Negative 1. Up, down. Down. So this is the exact location of Carlos' house. And Carlos' house is located at what quadrant? Quadrant 3. Now, the second question is, how far apart they live? Okay, ilan daw ang distance? Kay Ana, papunta naman kay Carlo. Okay, so we can count it, di ba? Mano-mano. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning 4 units. Now, what if ang bahay ni Carlo ay medyo malayo? So, kailangan ba nating bilangin ng mano-mano? No need na po. This time, papasok naman ang vertical distance. Ma'am, bakit vertical naman? Kasi po, pag kinunet natin yung 2 lines, anong line ang mapo-form? Pa-vertical na yan, anak. Patayo na po. And the vertical for at distance formula we have, distance is equal to the absolute value of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Okay, so same pa rin tayo ng given. Si Ana naman at si Carlo. So this time, let us use the vertical distance to identify the distance of Ana's house to Carlos' house. So step number 1, write muna natin ano po ba yung coordinates ni Ana's house, yung point A. Negative 2, 3. And then yung kay Carlo ay negative 2, negative 1. So same procedure, step 1, put a label. Okay, so x, y, x, y. And then 1, 1, 2, 2. Naintindihan po? That is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Then after that, write the formula. Distance is equal to the absolute value of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Then after that, what we're going to do now? Substitute na. What is y sub 2? Negative 1. Minus y sub 1? Positive 3. And then after that, simplify. How to simplify? Anong operation? Subtraction. At meron tayo anak negative sign. So therefore, we need to apply cha-cha. Okay. So first, cha-cha. First cha. Change the operation to addition. Second cha. Change the sign of the subtrahend. What is the subtrahend? 3. Magiging negative na po. Then apply, proceed to addition of integers. What is the sign of 1? Sign of 3. Same and like. Add or subtract? Add. Okay, so we have 1 plus 3, 4. Then what is the sign of the 2 numbers? Okay, then after that, get the absolute value of negative 4. Very good. The answer is 4 units. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Pag negative, magiging positive pa rin po. So meaning, the distance of Ana's house to Carlos' house is what? 4 units.